Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue TV goes completely silent after connecting Bluetooth speaker. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go down, set remotes and accessories. And here you can see I have connected to a Bluetooth speaker. Set that connected Bluetooth speaker. And here you can see the first option, use for TV audio. If we enable this first option like this, audio will always try to play in the Bluetooth speaker, and if the volume of that Bluetooth speaker is very low, then you won't hear any sound. That would be the problem. So you have two options: increase the volume of Bluetooth speaker or turn off this option. If you turn off this option, audio will try to play in the built-in speaker of the TV, or you can disconnect this Bluetooth speaker. You can use this disconnect option. So these are the fixes. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.